After watching the Betway Premiership match day one, kickoff, and delivering what it delivered, shockwaves after shockwaves, I guess we can all agree that it's going to be a tough season. Nothing will be delivered on a silver platter. All teams will have to grind for their results. Look at that. Chipa forcing Sundowns to drop 2 points. It's going to be tough. I'm worried about Orbit College. It looks like they'll be defending for the rest of the season. I'm worried how Isaleng's contribution will look like in this team. We're not going to talk about Marumo Gallants and Richards Bay, Polokwane City and Magezi drawing there. But guys, did you see the Pirates game? I feel like the coach is trying to change a lot of things at once. We all know that Radio Pano cannot start ahead of Makgopa or Mabasa. We all know that. That's a given. But they're starting. But hey, let's talk about Siwelele, guys. What an opener. What an